Protect your vehicle and enhance your property with style. In today's video, we unveil the top 5 best carport kits, the key to sheltering your car, boat, or RV. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner seeking protection, these kits offer durability and design. Delve into our suggestions below and discover the ideal carport kit to revamp your space by following the links in the description box. Now, let's get started. OUTSUNNY 84C159GY Carport. Experience the ultimate protection for your vehicles with the OUTSUNNY 84C159GY Carport. This spacious galvanized steel car canopy, complete with an anchor kit, offers shelter for small to medium cars. Ideal for homes without garages. Don't let the elements wear down your valuable possessions. With steel frame strength and a large roof canopy, your vehicles stay safe from rain, wind, and dirt. Included ground stakes and guy ropes provide extra stability, ensuring your investment remains secure. Choose a car tent that's both robust and spacious, so your vehicles remain protected and ready to hit the road. GARDESOL ZTCP11 Carport. The GARDESOL ZTCP11 Carport is your spacious and versatile answer for vehicle protection or outdoor events. This 10-inch into 20-inch carport comes with removable sidewalls and doors, offering customization for your specific needs. With roll-up ventilation windows, it ensures excellent airflow and moisture prevention. Built with heavy-duty rust-resistant steel, this carport can endure the elements. The 180-gram waterproof canopy shields your belongings from various weather conditions. Quick and tool-free setup is achievable thanks to the spring button system. Elevate your outdoor experience with this reliable and practical carport. PEAKTOP Outdoor Heavy-Duty Carport. The PEAKTOP Outdoor Carport delivers a robust solution with its 10 into 20 feet heavy-duty carport. Reinforced with triangular beams for stability and durability, this carport can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The galvanized frame provides increased stability with heavy-duty steel poles and connectors. The extra thick 180-gram polyethylene fabric offers UV protection, rain resistance, and safeguarding against dirt and scratches. This carport offers versatility with removable sidewalls and doors. Safety features include windproof edge covers and leg pole covers. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for covers and poles, ensuring your peace of mind. 5-Villa GA00 Carport. The 5-Villa GA00 Carport is a versatile solution for vehicle protection and outdoor gatherings. Its removable sidewalls and doors offer flexibility, while the reinforced triangular beams provide stability, even in severe weather. The extra thick 180-gram polyethylene fabric protects against UV, rain, snow, and scratches. With arc welding connectors and elastic ball straps, the canopy securely fastens to the frame. Ground stakes and guy ropes provide additional support. Easy installation with step-by-step instructions ensures quick setup. This carport is perfect for those who seek durable and adaptable outdoor shelter options. QUICTENT 1102 SGY Carport. The QUICTENT 1102 SGY Carport offers robust protection with extra ground bars for stability. Its heavy-duty 1.5-inch galvanized steel framework and metal corner joints ensure durability in challenging weather. The extra thick polyethylene fabric is tear-proof, waterproof, and UV-resistant. A lifetime warranty for connectors, pegs, ropes, and elastic ropes reinforces QUICTENT's commitment to quality. The comprehensive warranty includes 1 year for covers and poles. Shelter your vehicle and enhance your home with these top carport kits. Protect your investment and add a touch of elegance to your property. Thanks for watching, and may your carport be a sanctuary for your wheels.